Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Maka's Home. I'm here today to share with you my haul that I did with Aliexpress. I did it right after I went to this past convention, so it would have been the beginning to middle of March, and I've got some stuff already, which surprised me because it's not been more than 2 weeks, I don't even think. So happy to have it. But let me share with you. You can find the products in my description box below. There'll be links to the products. I'll share with you through the video what store I got them from. And I actually got a surprise. So let's start with this one. It is from DIY Life Store. And I bought this blending brush that has this little case that it sits in. I'm interested to see if any of you have something like this, if you like it. I want to get more, but I wanted to try this one first and see how durable and sturdy it is. It's pretty basic, so it should work. But let me know if you guys like yours. And then I also bought this die here. And then this is how it cuts out. So that was from DIY Life Store, and like I said, the links are in the description box below. Dang it. Okay, this next one is from, excuse me. This next one is from this shop here. Shop 9107244049 store. So I just got this die here. Sorry for the glare. But it's a fancy rectangle. I'm not sure what it's called, but you'll see it in my description box below. And it cuts out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames, but 7 pieces. Yeah, so this is a good A2 size card one. And I just cut them on white paper, so just to get a visual. So that one there. And then this I got from Happier Go Store. Happier Go Store. And I got quite a few here. This came as a set of 2. I believe it's the same exact thing. It's just a set of 2. It comes in a set of 2. And this is like to move around anything you want to move around liquid, like alcohol inks, maybe watercolor, puddles. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing videos with these shortly. And then I got some dies. I got these oval dies that I can't think that I wanted them this small, but that's my fault for not looking at the measurements. But this one cuts 6, I think, too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So it's just a layered oval die. And then I also got this die here. There's 3 different dies. This landscape of the cactus, this landscape of these mountains, and then this landscape of these mountains as well. So if you remember, I'll leave the link here. I went to convention and my girlfriends made kits for us to do while we were there. And one of them was this card here. and so I had to buy those dies. She hooked me into buying the dies. And let me see something. This is how they look when they cut out. And I actually used the negative of this as well. One of these is the die and one of it is the negative, but it looks like you can use it, right? So those are the items from this one, Happier Go store. The next one is this one, QWQER 123 store. And this one I got a stamp and die set. And it's this Protea, I think that's how you pronounce it, right? Protea stamp set that's pretty big. And then some accent pieces, a bow, a bird, it says thanks a bunch. And then the die set. So yeah, excited. I can use some watercoloring with this, oxides, just as a background, and stamp this with a good black. Stay tuned for that. And then this is from Julyarts Handmade Crafts store. And it's another scenery one. There's a few pieces that cut out. And then I got a free die as well. Huh. Okay. So let me show you the free die. This was the free die. And it's just 3 different music notes. The treble clef, I forget, but I cut them out. They cut out great. They're in this packaging, so I don't know how well you can see it, but they're probably, there you can see, don't mind my dirty nails, I was painting. You can see, I'm trying to, there, not glare. It's just a little bigger than the tip of my finger. But that is that one. And then I also, the scenery one that I got. So that one was free. Or I didn't order it. It was in my package. I'm assuming it was free. And then this one I got is the, here's the background. Oh, you could layer it like that. But that's what that looks like. And here's the die. It came apart in the shipping, so the rest of it stayed together, but this is the die. Here's the mountain shape. And then it comes with a cactus and a coyote. And that card I made, that's what I always thought, that it needed to have a coyote. So when I redo those cards, I'm going to add the coyote on those cards. Oh my gosh. Come on, memory, focus. There you are. And then here's the different cactus it cuts out. I think I cut it in different colors. Yeah. It's the same, just different colors. That's another shape. So 3 different cactus shapes. And then some of these little, 2 of these flower shapes. And then, like I said, that coyote. So I got that die also from July Handmade Crafts store. The link again is in the description box below. And then I got another one. This one is from Eastern Dye Store. Another scenery one. It reminded me of Animal Kingdom. Not like I've been there, but this is I'm assuming it would be like. And here's how it cuts out. So you could even just cut it at half and use half of it, or you know, take it across the whole, I don't know. Well, if you're doing a scrapbook page, you could use it for across half of the page if it's a 12 by 12. But yeah, so I like that one too. And then my surprise, because I did not order this at all, but I got two knobs, not doorknobs, but just drawer pulls. Drawer knobs? Yeah, drawer knobs of this bird. It's cool, but I don't have anything that matches this bird, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I might just use it in my craft room, add some knobs to something. Yeah, so that was my surprise. I got two of those. I didn't order it, and look at the packaging is covered up. Like, it doesn't even say who it was to. Suspicious. From Belgium. I don't know. But yeah, so that was my haul. I still have a couple more stores I bought from, and so those haven't come in yet. So when they do, I'll just hold them together and do a haul for them. But I hope you're having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're turning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!